Okay, hi business owners. I'm making this video because the new way to access your Google business profile is going to be through either search or maps. So I wanted to make a quick video just to introduce you to the new way to edit and add things to your Google business profile. So first things first is how to find it. Now, what you're looking at should be fairly familiar. Here we have your business panel or your business window. And all I did here was I Googled my business, kick marketing strategies. And this panel comes up over here. And then you also see your business panel. So first things first is how to make changes if you're editing your business hours, or if you want to update a policy, say for a pandemic, maybe you're changing your mask policy. Just hit edit profile, and here you see all the different things you can edit. So business information, this has your name, your description, opening date, all the basic info. You can see the contact information, which is where your phone number and your website are going to be. Hours, always really important to be up to date, and also adding your holidays. And here we have the other things. You can add your takeout if you're a restaurant, special attributes if you're woman-owned or black-owned, and then of course you can add them here too. Products is also here under Edit Profile, so I don't have any products, but this is where you would put them. Services, also very important. And your photos. Now note, when you click on there, you don't actually go to your photos anymore. This is just where you can upload your photos. To see them, the only place to really see your photos now is in the public view. I have some feedback into Google to see if there's a different way we can see photos, but right now, as far as I can tell, the only way you can see photos is by clicking See Photos here and basically going to the same view that the public has for your images. But note that there is not the view count here anymore, which I have to admit I'm not very happy about, but I do not see a place for the view count. So a few other things to point out. So posting your updates is right here, where your other updates posts. This is where you would put your offers or any kind of an update, add photos, add button. It doesn't look like they have the options of offers or updates. It's just all one update. You have the option for description, a photo, and a call to action. One more thing I wanted to point out, because it wasn't really obvious when I first logged on here, but that is your statistics. So how many people have viewed you each month? This is definitely a data source I rely heavily on to manage my work and how well I'm doing for my businesses. So now this is the new Insights panel that Google has been giving us access to for quite some time now. So the other data will be going away. So there was quite a lot of data on the old profile that is not in the new profile.